Hi, welcome you all. I'm Navpreet Kaur, your host, guide and mentor on this channel, and today we are going to discuss about the IELTS exam day. Especially this video is for those who haven't appeared in IELTS exam yet and who don't know what happened on that exam day. So let's start our today's video. Firstly, I would like to give you the update that presently the IELTS exams are cancelled, and I think these exams may be conducted in the July month because of COVID-19, if the situation is in control then. And let's talk about something, the exam day, duration and timing. So your listening, reading and writing, these three modules are conducted on the same day, and the speaking module exam is conducted before 7 days or after 7 days, then listening, reading and writing module. So for this, the timing is your timing for that exam is given on your acknowledgement. Firstly, you need to fill your exam. You need to pay your exam fees. I think presently it's 14,000 rupees, but maybe it will increase or decrease according to situations. But in most cases that fees always increase. And one thing, mobiles, any electronic device, your watches, metals, these are not allowed in exam day. You just need to carry your passport, your acknowledgement or declaration form in the case of IDP. These all, a declaration form or acknowledgement is given by those institute where you fill your exam. And if you fill your exam online, then you can get these on your mobile phone, or you can get the mail about that. You can fill your IELTS exam in IDP or in British Council, so it's your choice in which you want. There is no difference in that. Students suggest IDP or some suggest British Council. It's I don't think so there is a difference. It's all depend upon the student's caliber and the student's capacity, intelligence of that person. And you can get your results in 13 days when you give your listening, reading, writing exam. From that day to next 13 days, after next 13 days you will get your result. So from 11:15 AM to 12:15 AM is the registration process. You can go between that time frame and can register yourself. Entry in the exam hall is done with your fingerprints, and they check your fingerprints, scan your passport, they match them, and after the security check you can enter the exam hall. And in the registration process they click your photograph. For the exam is 1 PM, sharp 1 PM. There may be 5 to 10 minutes delay according to the exam center, but the timing is actually the 1 PM. On 1 PM your exam will be started, and it will go up to 4:15 PM or 4 PM. 4 PM or 4:15 your exam will be over, and after that they will collect your papers, and that's why it will take 15 to 30 minutes more, and on 4:30 or 4:45 PM you will be free from your exam. You can leave or exit your exam is started. Firstly they will start with the listening module, and then reading, and then writing. But if there is a problem in the listening, or if the lighting is not proper or any other problem, then they may start with any other mode. Sit in the exam hall. Firstly you need to fill information form in which you need to give your personal information. You need to check the particulars. I mean, your name is written on that form. You need to check the correct spellings of all these, and after that you need to sign and need to write the date. Always use pencil, and also there are some instructions are given by the invigilator during your exam when to write with the pen or when to write, but you need to write your exam in with pencil only, so you can make changes. But if you need to fill your sheets, it's depend upon the invigilator instructions. If that invigilator asks you to take pen, and then you need to write with everything with the pen, otherwise you need to write with the. So in the exam day you try to carry your stationery like your pencil, your eraser, your sharpener, whatever you need. These are the three things mainly that a person needs. but they also provide you these things. But I think it's good to have your own stationery. It's more reliable. Get 10 minutes extra in the listening module, but not in the reading. Remember that. Try to directly transfer your answer on the answer sheet in reading module. You will get no extra time, but in listening you will get. And always follow the instructions of the invigilators. If they ask to open the booklet, then try to open, then open that time. Don't open before they ask you. Don't do anything without their permission. If you want to drink water, you can ask them. They will provide you water on your place where you are sitting. There is no need to go outside and get water, but you can go for washroom, etc., but they will not give you any extra time during your. So this is all about your IELTS exam. You can ask any other queries, or if you want have any question in your mind, you can write in the comment section below. And if you want to watch my previous videos related to IELTS introductory videos, listening, reading module, and also grammar related videos, then you can click on the I button and get the link of that. And also I am on Facebook and Instagram. You can follow and get the link of that in the description box below. So thank you all of you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.